Dear students, very good morning to all of you. We are discussing about commercial polymer. In previous class, we are discussing about polyethylene polymerization, polyethylene polymer, used structure and preparations, and used in broadly in commercial. Today, we discuss next commercial polymer like as polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. This is the very useful in commercial PVC, known as the PVC, polyvinyl chloride. The monomer vinyl chloride is gas and its boiling point is minus 14 degrees centigrade. This is the monomer of vinyl chloride and boiling point is minus 14 degrees centigrade. It is carcinogenic in nature. It is produced by this reaction. First is 500 cracking of ethylene chloride in vapor phase form vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is CH2Cl. This is the vinyl chloride. And temperature is 500 degrees centigrade, highest temperature, and convert into vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CHCl. At 150 degrees centigrade, in the presence of catalyst, acetylene react with hydrogen chloride and form vinyl chloride. This is the second method. Temperature is 150 and presence of catalyst, acetylene react with HCl to form vinyl chloride. This is the reaction. Acetylene react with HCl in 150 degrees centigrade to form polyvinyl chloride. Polymerization. Over 80% production of polyvinyl chloride is obtained by suspension polymerization, while a small amount are produced by solution bulk and emulsion polymerization. In emulsion system, redox initiators are used. It is performed at low temperature, that is about 20 degrees centigrade. In bulk and suspension polymerizations, azo compound are used as initiator. It is carried out at high temperature, that is 50 to 80 degrees centigrade. Structure. The polymer polyvinyl chloride is widely used as plastic and to a much smaller extent as fiber. The trade name of this polymer is known as the vinyl or vinyl resin. The polymer has following structure. Polyvinyl chloride does not consist of a complete regular structure, therefore it is called a partial syntactic material. It has low crystallinity. The polymer molecule is complicated by the possibilities of having either linear or only branched structure. It is insoluble in water, hydrocarbons, vinyl chloride and alcohols. It is unaffected by acid and alkali up to 20 degrees centigrade. It is soluble in ketones, chlorinated hydrocarbons and mixture of the acetone and carbon disulfide CH2. Stability. The polymer polyvinyl chloride is unstable to heat and the light. On heating, such polymer loss a chlorine atom takes place, which causes reductions of the stability of the carbon chloride bond. In the presence of oxygen, chain reactions are accelerated and ketonic structure are formed in the chain. The stability of polyvinyl chloride can be stabilized by adding some stabilizers to improve heat and light stability. Metallic salt of lead, cadmium, tin or barium are used. Salt or fatty acids, oxides or hydroxides are also found most effective stabilizers. Plasticization. Polyvinyl chloride is a rigid vinyl and called a horn-like material. It is difficult to process. It is therefore compounded with plasticizer for plasticization. Polyvinyl chloride is mixed with a few percent of plasticizers such as epoxy resin to improve its impact resistance. Depending on the plasticizer quantity, fully rigid to fully flexible products can be achieved. Generally, the percentage of plasticizer is kept around 30% by weight and the polymer. The common plasticizer used for this purpose are tricrysoil phosphate, dibutyl phthalate, dibutyl sebacate, tributyl phosphate, dicotyl phthalate, tricotyl phosphate, dicotyl sebate and adipate, and polypropylene glycol ester, etc. This is the plasticization, and this is the plastisol and organosols. Some formulations polyvinyl chloride is widely used called plastisols and organosols. These are paste-like material and are obtained by emulsion polymerized polyvinyl chloride resin particles. Plastisols and formed by dispersing polyvinyl chloride particles into plasticizer, whereas organosols are obtained by dispersing polyvinyl chloride particles in a mixture of volatile organic liquid and plasticizer. The other ingredients present plastisols and organosols are colorants, surfactants, filters, stabilizers, and blowing agents or gelling agents. The polymer particles do not dissolve in the liquid but remain dispersed until the mixture is heated. At around 150 degrees centigrade to 200 degrees centigrade, polyvinyl chloride fuses with plasticizer and produced a cross-linked compound as a final plastic object. Now we discuss about applications of PVC. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC) is the cheapest and single largest used plastic in the rigid field. About 40% of the production is employed in the pipe. It is used for the electrical and telephone cable, severe system, water supply and distribution, agriculture, irrigation, drain waste and vent pipe, and chemical processing. It is also used in meat and food packaging, bottles, footwear, sport goods, toys, and other significant markets. About 30% of production of polyvinyl chloride is employed in building construction market, 20% for the interior modeling, gutter, window frames, about 5% or flooring, 7% for wire and cable insulation, and 5% is the upholstery, wall covering, shower curtains, gaskets, etc. In PVC polyvinyl chloride, the total chlorine percentage is about 56.8%. It can be further enhanced by dissolving it in the appropriate solvents such as chlorobenzene at 100 degrees centigrade. In this reaction, the chlorine replaces the hydrogen atoms in the CH2 units rather than in the CHCl unit of the molecule. The polymer thus obtained is called chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. This polymer is more resistant to acid and bases. The principal use of this polymer is in the manufacture of fiber, adhesive, and coating. The main disadvantage of the chlorinated polymer is that it is slightly unstable in heat and light. Now next commercial polymer is polyamides. A chain of amides. In this monomer is amide, CONH. For synthetic polyamides, the word is nylon has been accepted as a generic term. There are different types of the nylon which are as usually indicated by a numbering system. This number gives the number of carbon atoms present in the monomer molecule. Nylon synthesized from dibasic acid and diamines and are designated by two numbers. The first number indicating the carbon atom present in the diamine and second represent the number of carbon atom in the dicarboxylic acid. Thus a polyamide obtained from hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Hexaamine diamine and adipic acid is written as nylon 6,6. Hexaamine 6 nylon 6,6 and nylon 6 are commercially greater important polymers. Polyamide. The general structure of the melt polycondensation product of the polyamide is the follows. This is the polyamide, where R is equals to CS2, or this is the aryl properties. Nylon are used both as plastic and as fiber. It has high strength, toughness, elasticity, and abrasion resistance. Although plastic consists of its limit of use up to 125 degrees centigrade, even then good mechanical properties are maintained up to 150 degrees centigrade. The solvent phenol, cresol, and formic acids dissolve in the polyamide at room temperature. This polymer is slightly affected. A strong acid above 130 degrees centigrade in the air polymer disappear to colors and the upgraded higher temperature. The moisture acts as the plasticizer to increase flexibility and toughness of the polymer. The melt point range is the aliphatic nylon between 250 to 300 degrees centigrade, whereas aromatic nylon contains a very high melting point, that is the more than 500 degrees centigrade. Recently, aliphatic nylons having high melting points, that is range is the 435 to 450 degrees centigrade, have been produced by a interfacial polycondensation. The terephthalate dichloride and aliphatic diamines are as follows. This is the terephthalic acid dichloride and to form the polyamide. Aromatic polyamides are produced either by the self condensation of aromatic amines acids or by polycondensation between the aromatic acids diacid chloride and aromatic diamine. In this case, polycondensation are carried out by the melt solution or interfacial technique as follows. Fiber applications. About 60% nylon produced used in fiber, especially carpets. Another 20% production is used for the apparel, and only 10% is for the tire cord. Plastic applications. As the nylon is the tough, stiff, and hard in nature, it is a good substitute of metal in the bearing and gears, slides, rollers, and doors. Latches are often made by the nylon. Cover of electrical wires are also manufactured by nylon due to its electrical insulation and abrasion resistance property. Higher nylon like a 610, 612, 11 and 12 have comparatively lower stiffness and heat resistance than nylon 6 and 6,6, but have improved chemical resistance and a lower moisture absorption. They are generally used in special plastic. A number of other polyamides are manufactured to increase their use for the improving their strength molecular weight ratio. Thus, with increased stiffness, creep resistance, impact resistance, and the reinforced graded plastic are prepared. An aromatic polyamide made from dodeca-nidoic acid and bis-para amino cyclohexylmethane. Trade name is the DuPont Quina. Spun in tribal form is used in preparation of luxury dress apparel. Similarly, another aromatic nylon, Nomex, is highly non-flammable and it is now developing many industrial applications where heat resistance is required. Kevlar, which is more readily crystallized polymer and oriented as can be inferred from its parastructure, is important for its outstanding strength weight ratio. The Kevlar cable can match the strength of steel at the same diameter and 20% of the weight. This is the example Nomex and Kevlar. In this, sometimes asking a question about the structure of the Nomex and the structure of the Kevlar. So you draw the structure of both. Next topic is polyester. We discuss in next lecture. You subscribe my channel or chemistry class and prepare your notes the help of PDF and complete your assignment for each lecture. Thank you so much.